Hi guys! So for today's video, we're doing saan siya? What are you doing?
Cutting crepe paper, I think.
What about you, Chilla? What are you doing?
Tayo. Kuyog ka? Joy? Joy?
There's a lot of wings.
Hindi na gini siya basta kay voluntaries and banata na gini siya.
Yeah, there's so banat in banat.
Because there's no other.
Yeah. And what are you doing here?
Nag-book ako kay
You're not doing anything.
Nag-book ako ice cream.
Nagbuo ng ice cream. Food Panda.
Excuse me, ulit pagpanda sa...
Usahay, abi na to ang volunteerism kay kapoy, extra work, tugang responsibilidad. Pero while nagtrabaho mi sa mga pako sa mga little angels, I realized something deeper. This is not just service. This is not just preparation para sa hugos. This is panata. Kada tuig during Lenten season, we chose to show up not because we are required, but because we want to offer something. Among oras, among kusog, among presensya. And in the middle of all this, kapoy, hago, nadigyapan ng kalipay. A different kind of joy. Kanang dili loud, pero tinuod. A quiet joy and fulfillment. Knowing you are part of something bigger than yourself. So sa mga batanon diha, yes, ikaw. If you are looking for purpose, dili nimo na pirmi makita sa mga dagko nga mga butang. Sometimes, you'll find it here, in simple acts of service. Sa pag-volunteer, sa paghatag, sa pag-serve. Kayang tinuod nga kalipay, dili gikan sa imong nadawat, kundi sa imong nahatag. So, padayon, show up, serve where you are. Because one day, you'll realize this wasn't just something you did. This became part of who you are. Ambing.